Hello everyone. Welcome and thank you for joining us here at the Sangfor EPIC event in Dubai. Today my presentation is divided into 4 main parts, which shall be covering the following areas: current market trends, Sangfor Unified Cloud and its advantages, Sangfor Cloud key values and offerings, and successful use cases and key takeaways. It was recently reported that 50% of Fortune 500 companies disappeared from the year 2000 to 2016 due to digital disruption. 69% of corporate directors want to accelerate enterprise digital strategies to deal with this disruption. It is commonly known that cloud is critical to accelerate digital transformation from legacy architecture to digitalization, thus elevating efficiency and enabling organizations to evolve from online to agile, speed, big data, AI, ML, and IoT, essential ingredients for digitalization. Therefore, this transformation to neutralize disruption is fueling greater and higher adoption of cloud to enable faster acceleration towards digitalization. Basing on the knowledge that cloud is essential and critical for organizations to address global disruptions, these figures further illustrates those facts. Worldwide spending for cloud services is to grow by 20.7%, totaling $591.8 billion in 2023. The cloud market will grow to $864 billion by the year 2025. Projected to grow $1.2 billion by 2027 at a compounded annual growth rate of 17.9%. And it is expected to reach $1.5 billion by the year 2030. These statistics further demonstrates that the overall global growth for cloud is accelerating. However, there is still a lot of concerns with cloud adoption, and many challenges have been identified basing on real case scenarios. A recent survey conducted listed many factors of these challenges, and top concerns were identified as relating to cost, security, governance compliance, and lack of expertise for cloud. Basing on these concerns, Sangfor Cloud offerings is able to ensure that these customers' concerns are being addressed, and I shall share how do we do this in my subsequent slides. We have identified 4 main areas of challenges in cloud adoption, namely, number 1, regulatory governance. There's been an increase in the number of restrictions and limitations due to data protection law and regulations. Number 2, complexity of hidden cost. There is a lot of hidden, surprising, and shocking cost to the end customers. Number 3, skills and talents. Continuous lack of cloud expertise to manage complex cloud environments, be it hyperscalers or hybrid landscape, leading to many inefficiencies and inconsistencies. And number 4, service response. Most cloud vendors have no dedicated engineers in country, as they can only provide limited support such as email, number of calls, only causing delays and service disruptions. As far as Sangfor is concerned, the multi-hybrid cloud will be the shape of data center in the future, and Sangfor Unified Cloud is exactly built to offer what the data center really needs. Let us take a look at how Sangfor makes this happen in this slide as illustration. The data center construction usually starts with plenty of physical bare metal servers, and most of the time, these physical servers are underutilized or wasted resource and high capex. In the case for Sangfor, we are redefining the entire data center with virtualization technologies. And as you may already know, our HCI is able to virtualize compute, network, storage, and even security in a highly integrated system. On top of that, our cloud management panel enables the HCI with cloud-associated modules, turning it into an on-prem private cloud that can serve multiple tenants. Furthermore, the multi-cloud controller has the ability to combine both private and in-country managed public cloud together to form into a homogeneous hybrid cloud to deliver all the cloud services to different vertical customers. Basing on the above, our Sangfor Unified Hybrid Cloud is able to deliver three main key values. Which are to deliver a complete cloud journey blueprint that crosses private, public, and hybrid cloud. Number two, simplifies operation and management by offering a clear visual topology of all the key metrics and minimizes the cost of talent investment. Number three, highly resilient and secure. It is built in with integrated data protection and disaster recovery, which further enhances the all-layered cloud security protection. As for the cloud evolution path, Sangfor is able to provide an evolvable approach to smoothen your cloud evolution path step by step, no matter at what stage you are at. Allow us to illustrate this path as per this slide for an end-to-end virtualization. To begin with, for step 1, we start from the left. We can consolidate and virtualize your infrastructure with our HCI for an integrated compute, storage, network platform to achieve better cost and operations efficiency. For step 2, basing on our Sangfor Cloud Management Platform built on our SDDC, we can provide our in-country cloud service to enable digital transformation platforms such as containers, AI, RDS, big data, and edge computing, which will help to accelerate efficiency and business innovations. And lastly, upon operation stability and maturity, when multiple cloud services is available or adopted, Sangfor can deliver the hybrid or multi-cloud architecture that are built on the actual requirement in a flexible way. As the fundamental cornerstones to build up hybrid cloud, HCI is very much known to everyone already. So I would like to jump into Sangfor Cloud Services directly. Firstly, there is no perfect cloud approach. On one side, private cloud is surely very secure with service guaranteed, but you need to spend a lot of money building it. And it takes time for the admin to familiarize with the new technologies. And it takes time to be deployed, tweaked, and optimized to be stabilized. Therefore, this is high capex. On the other side, public cloud is agile, supports on-demand use, and its regional POPs makes public cloud very much reliable. However, basing on customer feedbacks, it does have hidden costs, and it is a challenge to obtain personalized services that is chargeable as professional services located in a regional support center. These facts may exhibit high risk. So the question is there a third approach that is cost-effective with minimized risk? And can it combine the advantages of both private and public cloud without the cost of operations? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce Sangfor Cloud Services, and our key values are illustrated by this diagram. The Sangfor POPs are located in different regions to ensure all data are stored within your country, thereby acceding to local governance and compliances. Number 2, we combine Sangfor outstanding security technologies and managed cloud together to ensure your mission-critical workloads are carefully protected. At the same time, we are more than happy to shoulder more security responsibilities to help you ensure the security of your critical data compared to other vendors who usually just shoulder the security of underlying infrastructure only. Basing on these key values, our Sangfor tailored cloud services make it possible for organizations to enjoy on-site services under these type of extreme cases. With this unified cloud, you can enjoy the consistent security protection that goes from on-prem to cloud. The built-in security modules can significantly reduce your TCO of adopting diverse security technologies and cover the protection from kernel up to endpoint. As it is known to everyone, technologies alone are not enough to handle and manage the new attacks and threats nowadays, because these cyber threats and attacks are evolving constantly as well. We have seen many such cases where organizations have suffered and held ransom by such attacks recently. The good thing is that our Sangfor Managed Cloud is able to provide a series of managed security service to continuously optimize the security posture of your business with these three main protection benefits. Number one, security operations with MTTR within 5 minutes. Number two, reduce security TCO by 40%. And number three, built-in security with consistency of on-prem to off-prem. To ensure that our customer can adopt the cloud easily, we have prepared a series of step-by-step migration services with calculated and mitigated efforts that are also validated to be workable in different types of production environments. Our migration approach covers three major initiatives. Number one, lift and shift, moving all of your apps to the cloud. Number two, partitioning, split the apps and partially move to the cloud. Or number three, re-architecting, refactoring your applications before moving to the cloud. Our overall value is to minimize the migration efforts, mitigate the risk of migration, and manage the transformation cost while maximizing cloud-native benefits. Our friendly customer portal makes it possible to unify the visualization of all issues running through different dashboards in a unified multi-DC dashboard, as illustrated in this slide. When required, you can tweak your network with what you draw is what you get in a modifiable network diagram in a simple and secure way. The continuous data protection also puts a shield on your data in real-time approach. And in extreme cases, if you are unable to deal with the operation and maintenance by yourself, Sangfor can provide the necessary assistance to you. You just need to simply authorize us through the GUI so we can provide the required assistance and do the necessary for you. This quickly addresses any of your concerns and alleviate any risk or impact to your live production. Another highlight of our Sangfor Cloud services is our tailored service. In this slide, we have prepared a simplified view to compare our tailored services versus that of other public cloud vendors for your easier visualization. We have categorized three major differences between Sangfor and the public clouds, namely, number one, the service model, number two, its effectiveness, number three, its service levels. When it comes to critical issues, there will be an allocated service engineer to support you till the moment that issue will be resolved. This is our Sangfor service to commitment to our customers. In this slide, you can visualize that Sangfor Cloud Services also provide synergy between on-prem private cloud and our managed cloud synergized together to smoothen the user's experiences. We are able to provide a SDDC which seamlessly extends your data center to the cloud by combining private, hybrid, and a managed cloud. This enables your data to travel from on-prem to off-prem and vice versa if you have hybrid cloud workloads and need a disaster recovery service. The values of our cloud synergy is to enable flexible resource and performance expansion and synergizing the AI ops across organizations to organizations. We talked a lot about the advantages of a unified cloud, like its security and synergy across multiple types of cloud. But what are the conditions that provide much needed help to you? What are the use cases to support these offerings? There are a lot of benefits that could trigger moving from on-prem to cloud or off-prem to managed cloud. However, let us run through 3 top scenarios. Number 1, cloud transformation is able to decrease your TCO and CapEx for underlying resource infrastructure. Number 2, application containerization will be able to shorten your MTTR of your core systems in any case of DR or backing up scenarios. Number 3, business continuity enhancement could make your key workloads stronger than before, as it will elevate your overall resiliencies with 0 RPO and RTO in minutes. Basing on the above, let's explore some case studies which I prepared. Use case number 1. Our customer, which is a large hospital, has a vision to transform their environment into smart healthcare to elevate customer service via enhancing the customer experience and smoothen operational efficiencies. This involves transforming the existing underlying infrastructure to be modernized to enable the current environment with new software architecture and IoT devices to be built in containers to support the building of microservices for the new agile applications via DevOps. This will enable the utilization of big data via unified storage lake after ingression from high volumes and velocity of data from customer interaction at the edge to allow the enablement of AI for predicting faster outcomes, which supports the new base technology requirements. What Sangfor provided with our hyperconverged infrastructure was able to help transform and modernize their existing environment from legacy traditional setup to enable the consolidation and virtualization of their infrastructure into an integrated compute, storage, and network platform to achieve better cost efficiency. This slide illustrates the overall design of the virtualization and consolidation that was the main key values as output. Higher performance for both EHR, EMR, highly scalable capacity for PACS, combined network security, provided better efficient backup and DR, and provided better RTO and RPO for the hospital information system and the EMR. The overall result was a successful deployment, enabling the healthcare customer to transform their environment, thus enabling the realization of their smart healthcare vision. These are the list of our successful healthcare customers in EMEA, and it's non-exhaustive, but it's just an example. Use case number 2 is our manufacturing industry. The benefits of Industry 4.0 technologies, processes, and systems include improved productivity and efficiency, better flexibility, agility, and increased profitability. Industry 4.0 also improves the customer experience, including through more personalized and intelligent products. Some of the major benefits include competitive advantages, increase in operational efficiency, better products and services, and growth of markets to new markets. However, most manufacturing are facing difficult decisions of matching ROI and TCO to upgrade the existing landscape to transform into IR 4.0. Let us explore our use case number 2. Basing on our customer engagement and feedback, we can categorize the challenges of manufacturing verticals as per the following. Number 1, business continuity. Number 2, resource flexibility. Number 3, asset security. And number 4, higher complexity. With this in mind, Sangfor has invested and built an SDDC solution framework specific to meet those challenges as well as for the future needs of the manufacturing industry. Refer this slide as illustration of our solution. At the base layer with our HCI, we are able to provide a consolidated, integrated infrastructure that is able to provide both cloud service platform and resource management in a consolidated management platform for easier management. This will enable manufacturing plants to be able to access accelerate, and leverage on the specific applications built for operation technologies such as MES, SCADA, combined with ERP, CRM, and big data. The overall value and benefits help our manufacturing customers to address those challenges and improve their overall production ecosystem, thus creating positive outcomes for their ROI. In this slide, you can visualize how Sangfor Technology Platform was able to harmonize the manufacturing operations technology, interdependencies of IoT, AI, big data, augmented reality with improved system integration on our cloud to be able to realize three main benefits as the outcome. Number one, product customization and personalization. Number two, improved production efficiencies. And number three, efficient decision and operations. These are our successful manufacturing customers in EMEA and is non-exhaustive. As part of our Sangfor global investment to expand our global cloud point of presence worldwide, we have more than 25 mature cloud service partners already globally. They are currently available in regions for our POPs such as Italy, Pakistan, UAE. And for Asia Pacific, they are in Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Our SLA commitments for the cloud services are at least 99.9% in each available region. And our clouds are hosted in uptime tier 3 data centers with N1 redundancy, is highly secured and able to scale up and scale out without any service disruptions. Our corporate strategy is to build more than 70 data centers in the next 3 years across most major countries and cities in APAC and the EMEA region. We are excited to grow our cloud POPs and we look forward to your engagement with us. As we have many partners in the audience today, I want to thank you for your continued support for Sangfor. And basing on our ever-increasing types of cloud engagement with our partners globally, I would like to share the preferred types of cloud models that we have for you today. In this slide, you will see that we have designed 2 cloud business models. Option A is the traditional model, which is our Alliance Cloud. And option B is the recommended model, which is the subscription cloud model. Alliance Cloud refers to a joint investment between Sangfor and the partner, where we shall both share the cost of investment and operation, including the revenues. The mutual benefit is lower cost of initial investment to initiate. As a cloud partner, you don't need to invest in finding highly skilled administrators, as Sangfor can help with both the sales and marketing. Whereas for the subscription cloud model, it refers to a partner or provider who has their own data center, and these partners only need to leverage their software and global support from Sangfor. While Sangfor is the technology and service provider to partners, the partner shall be responsible for selling and operating for your own services. Sangfor provides the underlying technology, upgrades, and support to you and your customers. Lastly, should you need any further guidance or assistance to embark on your cloud journey, we can also provide our lightweight consultancy services. The scope of these lightweight services are: number 1, it is a free consultancy service. Number 2, it is a condensed consultancy duration. Number 3, it has minimal IT team resources impact. And number 4, it creates a simplified and easy to understand result. The projected outcome of these services are: number 1, generation of current state analysis. Number 2, creation of a high-level cloud blueprint. Number 3, an application migration design blueprint. Number 4, potential business case ideation for justification. And number 5, for further improvisation of any other business cases. Do reach out to us as we can provide much needed help for your transformation journey to the cloud. Lastly, I wish to thank you again once for your time and attention and effort to join us here at the Sangfor EPIC event in Dubai. We look forward to serve you, and do reach out to me. I can be contacted at any time, even outside during the break or during any meals. Thank you.